I'm gonna be honest, I don't think this car is gonna be ready in time. 944 Fest is in 2 days and I have a lot of stuff to do to this car still, so honestly, I don't know if it's gonna be ready or not. Now, of course, it runs and drives, I can take it, but I don't wanna show it off in the condition it's in. I wanna have everything done that I say I'm gonna have done, especially because I put this all over the place, so I wanna make sure I can get everything checked off. But I'm not gonna waste any more time because I have a lot of stuff to do. Today is Tuesday. I have to leave Thursday at 6 a.m. to get this car there, so I really only have today and tomorrow to do this. And first up on the list, I have to fix all of these rock chips because there are a lot of them. But I've never used touch-up paint before, so I'm gonna have to watch a video because I honestly don't know what I'm doing.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today...
So I've got my paint touch-up pen right here for all the rock chips, and then I've got my spray can here for the front bumper because this is not gonna cut it. After learning from the expert, I'm gonna take this really slow because I have no idea what I'm doing still. And I'm not washing the car now. I'm gonna actually wash the car after the fact because I gotta wash it anyways before I go to the fest, but I'm gonna just use some quick detailer, wipe down the spots. And a lot of this car's already actually been touched up before. So like here, like every rock chip has been touched up before. So this is not gonna make me feel as bad because whoever touched this car before me did not do a very good job.
Bruh.
I'm surprised because I thought this was gonna look really bad, but from a distance, I mean, my car already looks good for me from a distance. It's a 10-footer for sure. When I look up close, it looks actually better, but then when I look from a distance, it's like I don't even notice that I even touched it up. So I'm surprised. Let's finish this up. I've done all of the rock chips that I want to get to, and it looks so much better. I don't have all these rock chips up here, which I'm happy about, but now I gotta get to that front bumper because that is in need of repair. Here that I think turned out the best because there was like 3 or 4 big rock chips here. They're not perfect repairs, but they're much better, and from a distance, it's like you can't even tell that anything's been done, and it just looks how it should from normal. Forgot that I still have these hood pads sitting here and I've had all this weight on them to get them to flatten out. I don't know if I'm gonna get to these today. I think I'm gonna worry about the bumper first because that has to dry as long as it can, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put these up once I clean the car tomorrow, but I don't know if I'm actually able to detail it. So I'm gonna clean this all down first, then I'm gonna sand off some of this to get the paint to stick and then spray it. I don't wanna just go spraying this. I gotta check out what pattern it is and make sure it's the right color, because it is the right color, but it is gonna look a little different compared to what's on there now. So I'm gonna take one of these pieces of cardboard, spray it on there a little bit to test. So I just finished up doing a lot of painting. So I ended up painting these little spots right here. They had rust on them, so just covering that up. Rock chips, everything, all taken care of, especially like these big ones right here. But the biggest thing is this front bumper is no longer red. So you can see everywhere on there is now white, and it looks so much better. It's not perfect because then you come up here, I still have the crack, you know, all that, but it is much better. And then of course, I also did that on this side as well. So get some of that rust out of here.
24 hours later.
Okay, so it's one more day left until 944 Fest. We leave at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna take a break from working on this car, let the paint dry. My dad has been telling me how he wants to get his truck, which is sitting right there, cleaned up before we leave. He wants to make it look nice. I get it. We're gonna be towing the 944, make this look nice quickly before he gets home. I'm gonna try and clean this so he doesn't have to worry about it and I can just do it. Also, his birthday was yesterday, so I'm like, yeah, this will be a little nice thing to do. So let's just get going. All right, the outside's almost done. I just gotta wipe the windows off, but I'm gonna pull it back in the back to do that because the sun, you can see it's getting really brutal out here, and I just flicked water all over the camera. But I'm gonna do the inside real quick too. I'm just gonna vacuum and wipe it down, so I'm not gonna film that, but I'll just show you guys after. All right, truck is now completely finished. Everything looks nice and good. Inside's not perfect, but I just need to get the front seats clean. That's out of the way. Now I'm gonna work on this. After seeing this over the time, since 24 hours, it looks so good. So I'm happy with this. All I have left to do with this is get the hood pads insulation on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. So I just ate lunch, and about 5 minutes after lunch, this showed up. Now this is one of the taillights that I had ordered for the car, and this is not both of them, unfortunately. I ordered them from separate places, so these are not gonna get installed before the fest. At least this one's not. The other one's still in Los Angeles. It's coming all the way from like Vancouver, Canada, so it's not gonna be here. It's going through customs right now. We're gonna install it after the fest, so that's gonna be a separate video, but I'm still gonna open this to show you guys at least, because I gotta inspect it. It came. It's like that one sound on TikTok. It came, it finally came.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Applications on this, but I bought two genuine new taillight lens like assemblies because I originally was looking at the like only 944 aftermarket ones, and I like them. They're not 100% the true replicas. I think they're a little different, I can tell. So this is cool. It says Porsche right there. It's always scary when you order something like this. I don't hear anything moving around, and it looks so good. This is exciting. Holy cow. Wow. You can already tell by the back, I'm sure, how much better these are. They've never been installed, obviously, but oh my gosh, the difference is insane. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the difference on these versus the old ones. Here's the new ones. Oh my gosh, the reflectiveness. I'm under an LED light too, right? You can kind of see one of the bars back there, but the difference. I'm looking at the screen too, like holy cow. Like I can't believe my car looks similar to this. My car actually probably looks worse than this too. It's all cracked and stuff. And it's about to go to brand new. I can't wait till the other one gets here because I did not want to just go installing some old taillights and thinking, oh, they're better, whatever. Like, no, if I'm gonna do this, I want to do it the right way, make everything look brand new, and this is gonna elevate the car so much more. And just like that, they're installed. So I think I got to everything that I needed for 944 Fest, but now it's time to put it on the trailer, and I'm gonna clean it more as I get there. I did clean a little bit of the inside and the engine bay, but I'm actually gonna fully clean it once I get there. But let's get this on the trailer. And just like that, the car is on the trailer and ready for 944 Fest. So we have about a 9-hour drive in the morning. We're leaving at 6 a.m. So I'm just gonna have to see you guys then. That's gonna be the end of this video. So obviously I did make it to the fest. If you guys do follow me on any other social platforms, you would know that I did make it to the fest. And a lot of that stuff is being uploaded I've been non-stop editing since I've been back this entire week, so a lot of it's still to come. That's why there was no video last week. I was really worried about the fest, and I want to make sure I had plenty of time to get that done. This video was actually supposed to be uploaded last Saturday. Next Saturday, there's a really good video coming, so stay tuned for that. Also, stay tuned for all the other stuff from the fest coming, because it's coming really soon. But again, that's all I have here for you guys this week. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like down below. Make sure you share this with your friends, and click subscribe, because we just hit 2,000 subscribers, so our next goal is 3,000 subscribers, so let's hit that hopefully soon. That's all I have here for you guys this week, so make sure you guys drive safe. Peace out. I love you guys. The chicken was still warm.